9.7 for Goings.
McKenzie Fechter.
And once again, McKenzie Fechter. Fechter's best this season on the beam is a 9.85 that came against Arizona.
Last year, she was out of their lineup. She had kind of a unique injury, some stress fractures in her leg, so it's great to see her consistently in these lineups because she's so aggressive and such a great competitor for this team.
Is Eminem good when you're on the balance beam?
The way she's performing, I guess so.
Why not, huh?
Big routine.
She just had a 9.75 on floor. She had a 9.675 on bars earlier.
It's a fun way to mount the beam, a fly spring on. There's some risk to that. Obviously, she can't see the beam before she lands, and most coaches would say you don't want to fall off before you've even started, but no problem for her.
Sharing a laugh with David McCreary and pumping up some Washington fans that are in the building.